Okay, so now it is time to put those designs in the middle. One thing is that on this particular quilt, it's very little. It's 17 inches. I think I put that in a beginning picture, from corner to corner design. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to mark off the boundary. Okay, so we have our add point at the top, and then at the bottom, which is 372, and we want it at 375 because that's what we set up those blocks for. I'm going to come over to this side, and what did I say? It was 17. All right, we're pretty close. I can remeasure with my tape measure also. We want to make sure that this number is still at the 375 because it's supposed to be straight. We go back up to the top. And in order to get that corner to go, I put that in there. So I'm going to remove that. Going to 0. There we go. Add point, and it does the whole thing. All right, so my leaves for my border are right there. They were designed at 9 inches by 2.5. And that looks pretty awful. So we're going to go into edit. And what we're going to do is I was going to actually increase the repeats. Well, that doesn't work, does it? And maybe it's just a decrease. We want it 3.5 high. We want to see if this other one will fit in here. It means it's 16.8. Let's see what happens with 2. All right, let's see what happens with 2. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the check mark. And we're going to go up to the mark on our corner, up to the mark on our beginning. Wow, that looks pretty good. And then we're going to go over to this mark, which is the right side. And it's not quite there. So, okay, so place those in there. In this particular one, I have 2 repeats. The pattern size is 8.4 wide, okay, and on this particular one, there's 2 of them. There's 2 repeats in here, okay. We do it down to 1, it goes to 16, we go to 2, goes to 8.4. We're going to hit the check mark. We're going to come down to our spot or the end of our first one, and we'll see where it falls here. Looks pretty damn good to me. All right, we're going to come over to the end, and it's not quite on, but if you look, I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can, just manipulating it with your hand as it's stitching very slightly will put it right on that dot. All right, I will show you what happens when it's stitching. Thank you.